And a lot of action is expected in the parliament today, as well as the National Democratic Alliance, the NDA, is expected to announce its nominee for the Lok Sabha Speaker's post. In fact, the election for the new Speaker is scheduled for Wednesday, and the announcement is going to be made today as far as the nominee is concerned. In fact, prominent names that are being considered for the Speaker post are Mahtab, who was also elected as a pro tem Speaker, former Union Minister Radha Mohan Singh, and BJP's Andhra Pradesh unit chief as well, Shivangi.
That is right. There is a speculation that the BJP might surprise with a very unexpected candidate. The special session of the parliament that began yesterday and the election for the speaker will be held on the third day of the session, that is tomorrow. The NDA's nominee will have until 12 noon today to file the nomination. I think we have Riyanka with us. Let's go to Riyanka, who's joining us live from Vijay Chowk. A very good morning to you, Riyanka. Yesterday, we saw a lot of controversy around the pro tem speaker, but the pro tem speaker is just temporary. Tomorrow, the speaker will be elected by a simple majority. But what can we expect today in terms of the parliament session?
Well, we know that today the NDA is all set to announce, its speaker, and the nominee will have time till 12 p.m. to file his nomination. And there are several names that are doing the round here. Firstly, it's Dr. D. Purandeshwari, B. Mahtab, and Radha Mohan Singh. These are the names, that they have been in the run-up to become the speaker this time at the 18th Lok Sabha. But knowing as BJP patterns and several speculations that way, it is all likely that a surprise name could also be taken up or given for the post of the speaker. Now, on the other hand, we saw how yesterday there was, of course, the MPs who had taken their oath. In fact, that will be continuing today as well. Several MPs will be taking their oaths, and the nominee of the NDA alliance for the speaker post will be announced, and tomorrow the election for the speaker will take place. In terms of the opposition, we can expect some showdown today once again, which is quite likely to take place in the parliament because the opposition has been headstrong in terms of how this controversy for the speaker post is going ahead. They had earlier announced that if the deputy is not given from the opposition, the Indie Alliance will go ahead and in fact give a nominee for the speaker's post. So several of these speculations are currently making the rounds. We have to wait and see what exactly happens today, being the big day where the NDA will be announcing the name of its nomination for the speaker's post, and the election for the speaker will be taking place tomorrow.
That is right, Riyanka. Do keep us ahead on this story, and we'll keep a close eye on what's happening in the parliament today.